Hello and welcome to another video on my Board Scrambler YouTube channel. My name is Daniel and today I am going up Clogwyn person Arete. Now this is a classic climbing and scrambling route, but to keep things nice and simple today I'll be taking the easiest line onto the ridge. So that's the Gully at a grade 2. There are two other lines a little bit more difficult at grade 3 and also a climbing route on there. As for the approach, I'll be taking the grade 1 Scramble at Clogwyn. So this morning I've parked up in one of the 3 laybys opposite Cromlech boulders on the Llanberis pass. I've made the short trek down the road to the second farmhouse on the left, through the gate that's marked private, and then I've taken I believe it's a public right-of-way just to the right. After going over the bridge, I followed the stream up on its right hand side, making my way past the infamous Snowdonia's infinity pool, as you can see here. So this is Clogwyn approach. Not a bad little grade 1 scramble, to be honest. Yeah, quite a nice little warm-up. Well, I'm nearly at the top of Clogwyn approach, which was a nice grade 1 plus scramble. You can probably see I'm at the top there. That was really good quality scrambling up there, actually, better than I expected. I normally take a left line when I'm coming up to the lake. I've never tried this scramble before, so it's a bit of a first for me. Yeah, really enjoyable. Lots of loose stones up on here, so you need to be a little bit careful. Well, I've gone up the right side of the gully, made my way up the tricky initial section. I'm just making my way onto the Arete proper now. So as you can see here, I'm making my way up this really tight little groove in there. It doesn't help that I'm a little bit overweight, and I must admit, when I first looked at that, I thought there's no way I'm going to get my backside through that, but I managed to sliver my way up, and it wasn't too difficult in the end. So I'm just at the point now where the arete starts to ease off a little bit. I think I've just got one more sort of steep section here, and it evens right off. And I'll be making a descent later on, probably over to Crux, as you can see there, maybe down the North Ridge, back down to the lake, and then back down to my car. So this has been an awesome scramble this morning. Really enjoyed this. There's a couple of sections there which were really pushing me to the edge of my comfort zone on there, obviously not being tied in with rope. So that's it. I'm pretty much done for the day. Thanks once again for watching my footage of Clogwyn Arete. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, do hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe as well. I'll just leave you with some aerial footage that I've taken of the arete, and I wish you all the best.